how to fix Instagram chat not showing up or loading. So if you are facing a problem in chat that is unable to load or show, then this video might be helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So once you are in this chat section over here, you will be able to see all of the chats or the conversation with your friends. And sometimes if you are unable to load the chat, then that may be due to various reasons. So the first reason is you may be connected to weak internet connection. So just swipe down your notification panel and you have to check whether your internet connection is weak. If you are connected to cellular data, then also you have to make sure that your network connection is strong. Once you are sure that you are connected to strong Wi-Fi or cellular data, then this problem might be solved. But if you are still unable to solve this problem, then you just have to go back to the home page and you can open up to apps, and in this section you have to press and hold on Instagram and go for app info, and you have to simply go for storage and cache and clear the cache. By clearing all the cache, your Instagram application will be refreshed and you'll be able to fix your problem. You just can go back and check your problem will be fixed. So these are the two common fixes to fix your problem. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.